There's breaking news coming in. Bandra police has registered an FIR against actors Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra on a complaint filed by Nitin Bharai for cheating him to the tune of 1.51 crore rupees through a fitness company in 2014-2015. That's the latest coming in. More trouble now for Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty. Mustafa is now joining us with the very latest. Mustafa, after that entire porn racket, the alleged porn racket that took place, that had Raj Kundra in a lot of trouble, and now Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra, husband and wife, both in trouble now for a cheating case. What is this alleged cheating case all about?
Yes, what we have been told about this is that this case pertains to 2014-2015, and there was a fitness company which Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty were a part of, and this person has said that he had invested about 1.5 crore rupees, and that amount was, he was duped for this amount in this fitness company. So he had registered an FIR against all the people who were responsible, and Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra are among the accused. The police is saying that they have registered a case of cheating and criminal conspiracy. They are investigating further as to what was the exact role of Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra in this entire case.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details right there. More trouble for Shilpa and Raj. Trouble is mounting for Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra. This is a cheating case. Mustafa, are we picking up any other independent information as far as this is concerned?
Well, what we have been told is that the police are still verifying the exact case and the facts. This complaint which was given by Nitin Bharai is a person who had named these two people on basis of the preliminary inquiry. This FIR has been registered. What was the exact role in the fitness company of Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra is being determined, and whether they are involved and how much they are involved in this entire case is something which the police is investigating. Also, the police said that there is likelihood of Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra being called for questioning for further investigation in this entire case.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details right there.